Why does my brain freeze when I feel things are overwhelming?
Your heart beats faster before a test, your thoughts feel crowded, and your body becomes tense. In those moments, your brain is not broken, it is responding to pressure. The real mystery is what actually happens inside your brain when stress shows up. If we understand that process, we can learn how to turn pressure into strength in the AI age.
So, what does that actually mean?
Stress is your brain's way of preparing you to respond to a challenge. It is not automatically bad, it is a signal that something matters. In a fast-moving AI-driven world, pressure will always exist, but resilience determines whether stress sharpens you or overwhelms you. When you understand stress, you gain power over how you respond to it. Understanding this may be one of the most important skills for thriving in the AI age.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, the amygdala detects potential threats and sends an alarm signal through your nervous system. This activates the hypothalamus and triggers cortisol release, increasing heart rate and alertness. If the stress continues, the prefrontal cortex, which controls planning and reasoning, can temporarily lose efficiency. However, through neuroplasticity, practicing calm responses strengthens the circuits that regulate the stress reaction. Over time, your brain becomes better at staying steady under pressure.
How does this show up in real life?
In school, stress can either block clear thinking or sharpen focus depending on regulation. In friendships, pressure can lead to reactive words or thoughtful responses. During technology overload, constant alerts can keep the stress system activated. In careers such as doctor, entrepreneur, AI engineer, or policymaker, the ability to stay calm during complex decisions is critical. Resilience becomes a competitive advantage in high-responsibility roles.
So, small equals big?
Yes, each time you pause instead of reacting, you strengthen regulatory pathways in your brain. Those repeated pauses act like training sessions for your nervous system. Over time, your prefrontal cortex gains more influence over emotional responses. This compounds into emotional stability and confidence. Small calm habits grow into powerful resilience.
So, how do I start?
First, use a thinking step by labeling what you are feeling, because naming emotions reduces amygdala intensity. Second, use a feeling step by slowing your breathing to activate the parasympathetic nervous system. Third, use a behavior step by breaking large problems into smaller, manageable actions. Practicing this daily builds stronger regulation circuits over time.
What should we do today?
Today, when you notice pressure rising, pause for 5 slow breaths before responding. Observe how your body shifts as your breathing slows. Afterward, reflect on whether your thinking felt clearer. Share what you noticed with your family and discuss how calm changed the outcome. Stress is a natural brain response, not a sign of weakness. Each calm decision strengthens your resilience pathways. In the AI age, steady minds will lead in moments of uncertainty. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.